Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for mathematics online class. Today we will begin new exercise in mathematics, that is exercise 4.1. This exercise is purely based on fraction. Before I start this exercise, I would like to recapitulate that we have done in previous class. Now what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of the whole. Suppose if a whole thing is divided into equal parts, each part is known as a fraction. A fraction consists of numerator and denominator. The upward number of the fraction is known as the numerator and the lower number of the fraction is known as the denominator. There are various types of fraction. Number one, unit fraction. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is known as a unit fraction. Number two, proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is known as a proper fraction. Number three, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is more than the denominator is known as an improper fraction. Number four, mixed fraction. A mixed fraction consists of whole number and proper fraction. Number five, like fraction. Fraction whose denominator are same are called like fraction. Unlike fraction, fraction whose denominators are different are called unlike fraction. Now let's move on to today's exercise. Question number 1. Reduce the following to the simplest form. Simplest form means we have to convert this into lowest form. Question A. 12 by 16. Here both 12 and 16 and these are even number. Both these numbers are divided by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Again 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. This 12 and 16, both these are divided by 4. 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16. Here if you use 2, this will be time consuming. So in order to save our time, we'll find the SCF of this numerator and denominator. You know SCF means highest common factor. I think you have learned in class 4. Highest common factor. We can find out the SCF of the number by prime factorization method and long division method. So here we will find out the SCF of 12 and 16 by prime factorization method. So here 12 is divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Here 2 6 are 12. We cannot use here 6. Again this 6 is divided by 2. 2 is the first even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. This is the first prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. Now here 16. We cannot use 4 or we cannot use 8. We'll use prime numbers only. Prime numbers are those numbers which do not have more than 2 factors and they are not divisible by any number. They are divisible the number itself and 1. So here 2 8s are 16. Now next we cannot use 4. 4 2s are 8. No. Again 8 is divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Here again we got here. We cannot use 4. Again 4 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So this 2 into 2 in 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the prime factors of 16. Now here we'll find out the common. This 2 is common. So therefore their SCF 2 2s are 4. So 12 by 16 is divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So 3 by 4 is the simplest or the lowest form of 12 by 16. Now next here D, 122 over 240. Both these are even number. So these numbers are divisible by 2. So first we'll find out their SCF. See, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. 61 is a prime number. It does not have more than 2 factors, 61 and 1. And this 61 are not divisible by any number. It is divisible by 61 itself or 1. Now next here, 240. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. Again, here we cannot use 4 3s are 12 or 16. Again we have to use prime number only. So here 0, so it is divisible by 2 only. 2 6s are 12, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Now here even number, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 15s are 30, then 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now here this 122, its factors are 2 into 61, so 2 is the common. So SCF is 2, so both these numbers are divisible by 2. 260 or 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. 61 over 120 is the simplest form of 122 over 240. Now next question number 2. Circle the unit fraction out of all the fractions given below. As I already explained you, a fraction whose numerator is 1 is known as a unit fraction. And you can find out here this is, and rest you to yourself. Now next your question number 3. Fill in the numerators of the following fraction to make them proper fraction. As I already told you, what is proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is known as a proper fraction. As you can see, what are the numbers less than 8? 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. So I write here 7. 7 is less than the 8. So it's a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. Next question here, D I'll do here, but you have to do yourself. 93. Denominator is 93. What are the numbers less than 93? So 92 backwards. So I'll write here 92. 92, 91, 90, 89, etc. Now next question number 4. Fill in the numerators of the following fraction to make them improper fraction. As I already told you, explained you, improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is more than the denominator. Denominator is here 5. What are the numbers greater than 5? 6 onwards. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So I write 6. Now next here question number D I will do. Here denominator is 52. What are the numbers more than 52? 53, 54, 55, 56, 57 and so on. I'll write here 54. Sorry, 54. Yes, 53. I'll write 53. Okay, 53. Now, next question number 5. Convert the following fraction into mixed fraction. So how to find out the mixed fraction? Here this is improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. So this line also means divide. We'll divide this 5 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. We'll subtract. 1 is the remainder. So we'll write this denominator same here 2. So how many times 5 is divided by 2? 2 times. We'll write this 2 as the whole number and remainder we'll write as the numerator. Similarly, next question here 139 over 6. So we'll divide 139 by 6. Say here 13. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. We'll subtract this 12 from 13. So 1 is left. We'll bring this 9 down here. Now it became 19. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. Now here denominator is 6. So question will write as the whole number and remainder will write as the numerator. So 23 into 1 by 6. Now last one here, question number 6. Convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. First here you can see here mixed fraction is a fraction which consists of whole number and proper fraction. 2 is whole number, 1 by 6 is proper fraction. So this 2 into 6 by 1 by 6. So 2 is multiplied by 6. 2 into 6 plus 1. So 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 6. Now here similarly 19 into 2 by 3. So 19 is multiplied by 3. 19 into 3. 19 3s are 57. Then here plus 2. Once again here 19 into 3 plus 2. 3 9s are 3 9s are 27, 7, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. 19 3s are 57. 57 and this plus 2. 57 plus 2. 57 plus 2, 59 over 3. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.